This is the B7 Jump Starter, the latest QDSP Quick Discharge Start Power technology. It's able to withstand various environments and challenging temperatures, 3 times stronger and reliable than any product with the same specifications. This is a must-have for women and men who don't want to carry jumper cables and flag someone down to help. With a peak of 1200 amps, it's able to jumpstart flat batteries up to 30 times in a single charge. Work with all 12-volt battery cars, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATV, UTV, lawnmowers, yachts, and heavy duty. Clear instructional guideline LCD display indicated advanced safety technology features including a reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and over discharge protection. It also has dual smart USB charging ports. This model can be used to charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices at a speed of 2.1 amps, 10 watts. That is 2 times faster than the most common power banks. The built-in LCD screen clearly shows battery status and output voltage. Also included is an LED flashlight with 3 modes: the light, SOS, and strobe. This provides a great convenience for use at night. Only weighing at 1 pound, it's easy to hold with one hand, store in your glove box, and pack in your bag for traveling and working remote.
The Fenix HM61R is not only a high-performance headlamp, lasting a maximum 1200 lumens over 150 yards, but it also functions as a right-angle flashlight. Remove the light from the headband, and then use the included belt clip to hook to a pack or molly system. Or use the magnetic base to attach the light to any metal surface. The large switch allows you to easily choose lighting modes. Use the red light mode to retain your night vision, and use the red flash as a warning signal. Quickly recharge the included 18650 lithium-ion battery via the magnetic charging port. And check the battery's status with the battery level indicator. Dustproof and waterproof. The Fenix HM61R multi-use headlamp is the ultimate hands-free lighting tool.
Resqme Inc. presents the Resqme, a 2-in-1 emergency tool which breaks windows and cuts seatbelts quickly and easily in case of an emergency. This quick, powerful, and easy-to-use tool will keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. It's easy to use, taking only seconds to cut a seatbelt or break a window. It's a quick solution to get you or someone else out of a vehicle in an emergency. This essential tool will be part of your everyday life, as it can be attached to your keychain and be with you at all times. The 2-in-1 Resqme tool cuts seatbelts and breaks windows.
This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel, a versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities. The SCH-SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH-SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel.
Stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy emergency sleeping bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord. Plus, you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and ultra durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, the Life Bivy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.